This video will show you how to insert a photo taken with a mobile device into a Google Doc on a Chromebook or laptop. On the mobile device, I need to have the Drive app installed. If you don't have Google Drive, you can download it for free from the App Store. Tap the Drive app and make sure you're signed in with the correct account. If you are, you can tap the plus in the lower right corner and then use camera. From here, I can capture a photo or video. Tap Use Photo if you're happy, and it automatically gets saved into my Google Drive. On my Chromebook or laptop, I'll make sure that I'm signed in to my Google account. If I am, I can go to my classroom, then my class, and choose the assignment. Once the assignment opens, I can open the Google Doc attachment and see that this assignment wants me to insert a photo beside my name. I'll scroll down and click where I want the photo, go to Insert, Image, and choose my drive. I'll see my recent photos here. When I select the photo, I'll be able to insert it, and that's how you insert a photo into a Google Doc using a mobile device and the Google Drive app. Hopefully this helps.